You're a good boy, Moose. You hear those birds? He's watching over the pond. You hear the birds, Moose? Good boy. Here she comes. Here's Raven. What do you think, Raven? You hear the birds? Hey, Jurassic, thanks for stopping by. Say hi, puppies. There goes Moose. What's he doing, Raven? What do you think? You're a good girl. Yeah, it didn't last very long. It was sticky and slushy. I crashed right away. My wrist is a little sore today from hitting the ground, but we tried. You saw the video? Yeah. Kind of funny. We stayed out for like 20 minutes, but I guess when I hit the ground, my phone stopped recording. So I guess some people tuned in and it was a black screen. Not how we wanted it. Oh, you saw the black screen? Yeah. That might be our last chance. I don't know if we're going to have any more snow. We do have a scooter that should be here next week, though. We're going to start training soon. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for the likes. What do you think, Moose? What are you doing? You're stalking, aren't you? Face off. Zoomies. You guys playing? Hey, Moose, leave her harness alone. Yeah, they stare each other down and then they chase each other around. Hey, what are you doing? Moose, I don't think she likes her harness being tugged on like that. Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, chill out, chill out. Hey, Moose, all right. You drop it. Good boy. You dogs are crazy. You're crazy, Raven.